The club website is a wealth of information, accessible to anyone with internet access and a web browser. However, for members, the club website offers features not available to non-members. Features such as registering for club events, classifieds, personal photo albums, and more. To access these member-only features, you need to log in using your unique username and password. Once a website is displayed, the member login link can be seen in the upper right corner. Clicking the member login link displays the member login screen. To log in, simply enter your username and password and then click the login button. If you check the Remember Me option, the system will store a tiny file called a cookie on your computer, which makes it unnecessary for you to enter your username and password each time. This cookie is secure and does not contain your actual username and password. However, you should only select this option on a computer that you control so that others can't log in as if they were you. If you arrive at the login screen by accident, simply click the Cancel button to return to the home page.